Welcome back to the homestead, everyone. Welcome back to our kitchen. We have been blessed with a lot of peppers in the garden this year, and we need to preserve these. A lot of people freeze them, but we prefer canning them. But we're gonna roast them and show you how to roast them before we can them. So when you're canning peppers, you're going to need a pressure cooker because peppers are an alkaline food. So you have to have the pressure cooker. The other tools for this job that you're going to need are a source of flame. So in our case, we've got electric inside. We need to use our propane grill outside. And what that's going to be used for is to char the skin off the pepper. You're going to need a metal bowl, of course, and some tongs to move that pepper around. You're also going to need some saran wrap or some plastic wrap to go over the top of the bowl to help steam the skin off of the pepper after it's done roasting. Now you can use the regular grill to char your peppers, but it's going to take a lot longer for that skin to get burnt and charred. If you have an external burner like we do, that's much better because the flame is right there and that's where the pepper is going to get charred really fast. It's the quickest method to do it. Let's show you how to do it. So we've got a wide variety from our garden. We've got some California Wonder, we've got some Red Bell that I didn't let get red because I was too impatient. We've got some, these are actually green bell, but they're a weird shape. I don't know why. We've got some Marconi that I also didn't let turn red. And Ascajar, I can never pronounce those. Ascajarvsky? Anyway, if you know, they're good. I love them. Now, of course, just take your peppers and we are going to lay them on the flame itself. We're going to let that skin start to char. So inside of our bowl here, we have our roasted peppers steaming, and that's going to help that skin to just come right off super easy. So our roasted peppers have been steaming for just a few minutes. Took a while to roast them, so those first ones in there have got to be just perfectly ready to get that skin off. They smell so good, it's ridiculous. So it's pretty simple to get the skin off. Most of it's all charred anyway, but I find a paper towel is the best thing to use, and you can see it just rubs right off, especially where it's super charred. That's very helpful. Some of the other ones, other spots might stick a little. That's no big deal. Just kind of scrape them off with your fingernail. And we have got our fully processed pepper. And also that beautiful char on it is going to impart some flavor into the pepper flesh itself. So it gives you that beautiful roasted, toasty char flavor when you get your peppers back out of your jars when you're ready to eat them. Now what we do is we just pop out the end here, and if you want to leave the seeds you can because they've already been essentially cooked, so they're very soft and they are not bitter at all. They don't have that whatever seed taste if you don't like that, but just pop that seed pod out right there and take out the seeds. It's nice and toasty warm inside this one. If you want, you can take it to the sink and rinse it off, but we just chop ours up in some nice thin strips here and add them to our canning jar. Do the knife how Daddy showed you how to do it. Okay? It's looking good. Looking good. Okay, start filling up this little one. Wow. They smell great though, don't they?
Yes. Can we put, next time, can we put some peppers on our pizza?
Absolutely.
It's delicious.
Once we have all of our jars filled, what we're going to do is add a pinch of salt and then fill it up so you have about 3/4 of an inch of headspace. Of course, add your lids, and now we're going to start our pressure canning process. So now that we have all of our peppers processed, they're ready to be pressure canned. Now this isn't a video about how to pressure can. You're going to need to read your manual on your specific pressure canner and the type of heat source that you have. But to pressure can peppers in pint jars, you need to do it for 35 minutes at 11 pounds of pressure. And that, of course, varies for your elevation. If you're above 2,000 feet, you're going to need to adjust that. We hope this video was helpful for you. Now we want you to go check out this video right here, which shows you how to can pears. Have a great day. We love you, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye.